Guys, today we're gonna be playing Animal Hospital. As you can see, I searched on TikTok Animal Hospital funny moments and it was funny. So I decided to play it if it's actually funny. Now let's get started. But first, let's find it. Can someone join me? What? I'm alone? Bro. Okay. Guys, we're joining back. Okay, we're back. No. Come on, guys. Join. Yes. Work the hospital until you find out what's really happening. Okay, what's happening? Waiting for players. Okay. Done. Who is this guy? Waiting for visitors. Oh. Hello, ma'am. Don't close the door on me, bro. Hello, what do you want? How much? I have an apple so much. I don't know what that is. Hey, I was gonna print it. Okay, room one. Room one, guys. Room one. Do you have a stomach ache? Because I'll take this. Guys. Come on. It hurts a little bit. It does not hurt. Let's see. Stomach ache. I already know what to do. What are you doing? Oh, hi there. You have dry eyes. Yes. Okay, what you doing? Dry eyes. Oh, the doctor is arriving. Hello, doctor. Some devices, if things get strange, just keep working. Yeah, find the job. I'll fix up the shutters and screen. No, don't shut them. Excellent. Okay. Come on. Oh, hell no. No. No servants? Oh, Annie. My girlfriend, borrow me. Can you give me a coffee? Okay. I had a long day. Who drink it? Okay, now go away. Now go. Shishu! Who's that guy? Who's that? Come on, next customer. I'm customer? Patient. What is Ro doing? Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, let me check. Okay, he's normal, guys. He's normal. Maybe it might be a curse photo. Oh, it's not. Okay, good. It's good. That's great. I'll be in room 4. Okay. Room 4. Where is room 4? Oh, room 4 is here. Guys, here! Wait, but first I must show this. Why? Why are you looking at the chest? Okay. I'm jumping on the head. I'm jumping. Let me check the window. What is this? Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Who closed the door? Open it. I'm scared. Oh, medkit. Okay. What was that? Okay, then I'm not looking up. I'ma just do this. Flu. Okay. Oh, the doctor is arriving. No, let me in! Yo. There was a stalker, bro. Is the shop open? Oh, yeah. Good. What the heck? This is...
Kanina ka kasama ni Butterwood niya, ma'am.
Wait, but first let me. What is this body?
Baka may ano ka rin. Kasali ka rin. Ginanagaan ka.
Taser him. Hello, are you okay?
Sus!
Are you okay? Oh, hell no. Close the door. What? No service? Yeah, both of them? What is that sound? That's, scary. Okay, but first, let me check. If his body is weird. Okay, the body is not weird. Let's go, guys. Oh, okay, not curse. Not curse photo. Thanks, I'll be in room 2. Okay. Wait, but first... Yes. Where's she black? What's she black? I checked the cameras, bro. He's black. Okay. Where's the eyes like that? But first, let me check the cameras again. He might be black. Oh, okay. He's normal, guys. He's normal. Good. Okay. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Oh, okay. I got roommate. Okay. Oh, what is that? Are you a mouse? Hello, you want me to keep or this or this or this or this? Big beans. I hear things. What? What do you see? Us? You see us? It's so dangerous that. Oh, it's because you have big eyes. Big eyes, big eyes. Oh my god. So scary. Thanks, I'll be in room 5. I hope I can get out of here soon. Yeah. Next patient. But first. Oh, what the heck? Yeah. Duh. Wait, let me check the camera. What was that? Okay, he's normal. Anyways, bye guys. This game is too scary. But funny a little bit, so bye.